Flowmaster, the leader in performance technology, introduces the new Outlaw Cat-back exhaust system for the 2015 to 2018 Ford F-150s with the 2.7-liter and the 3.5-liter Ecoboost engines. This Cat-back exhaust system features a race-proven Outlaw Series muffler and a mandrel-bent 4-inch tailpipes for maximum performance. The system is built out of 409S stainless steel and utilizes a 5-inch black ceramic-coated stainless steel tip with the Flowmaster logo embossed right on top. This bolt-on single outside emission legal system is perfect for the person looking for an aggressive sound level outside and inside the truck with all the performance benefits that you expect from Flowmaster, and like all Flowmaster systems, they're dyno-tuned for maximum performance. If you're looking for an increase in power and an aggressive exhaust note, then this system is for you. The kit includes all necessary hardware and complete instructions for a simple at-home installation, and is covered by Flowmaster's lifetime limited warranty, giving you peace of mind while protecting your investment. Be sure to subscribe to our Flowmaster YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.